Hi guys, my name is Ravi Prakash and I welcome you all to my YouTube channel Rodha. So today again in this quant based puzzle series we are with this fantastic set actually. If you don't know the logic behind it, if you have not done this set before this, okay, then you will find it very interesting and very puzzling actually. Okay, so just try this set guys for 5 minutes, at least 10 minutes to try for this set. Okay, then we will see the funda before this. Okay, this set actually for at least 10 minutes. There are 10 boxes each containing n balls. Each of the balls in 9 boxes weigh 1 kg, whereas each of the box in the remaining balls weigh 2 kg. A digital weighing machine is used to weigh these balls, and m is the minimum number of weighings required to find the box that contains the 2 kg balls. Right, see. So basically the point is here. Now first question is if n equal to 10, what is the value of m actually? Now let's see. देखो मजेदार क्वेश्चन है ये. So if I have, so let me tell you guys. Let's say there are 10 boxes here. Okay, 10 boxes. Fine. Now 10 boxes are here. In each n is 10 means what? Then in each box there are 10 balls. Okay. So in each box there are 10 balls. 1, 2, 3 like that. There are 10 balls actually. Okay. So in each box there are 10 balls. Fine. 10 balls, 10 balls, 10 balls in each box. Okay, that's a great logic, right? Now, great logic will come actually. That's a great thing. Okay. So now, if you see here, so now n equal to 10, what is the value of m? So there's a digital weighing machine here. So let's say there's a digital weighing machine here, right? Now, let me make use of this. There's a digital weighing machine here. Okay. Yes, we have paid price for this automation. So let's use it. Okay. So now in this we have this is let's say there are 10 balls here. Okay, in each. So there's a digital weighing machine here. Fine. Now let's say there's a meter here. Okay, reading meter. Fine. So basically the whole point of the set is basically that we can't differentiate between the bags. So all the bags are basically identical and I have to differentiate between the bags actually. Fine. I can't differentiate between the bags. So how to find that 2 kg ball with a minimum number of weighing? So what will I do, guys? What will I do? So in that case, I'll basically pick up, let's say how many? 1, 2 now. So from the logic here goes like this. Say guys, from the first bag, I'll pick first ball, 1 ball. From the second bag, I'll pick 2 balls. From the third bag, I'll pick 3 balls. Okay. From the fourth bag, I'll pick 4 balls, right? Like this goes on, and from the 10th box, I'll pick 10 balls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So now tell me guys, what is the total number of balls on the weighing machine? The total number of balls in the weighing machine is now 55. Basically 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 10, that is equal to what? 55. Now this is 55 actually. In this 55 total weight. Okay, now tell me, if all the balls were identical here, right? If all the balls were identical in the weight and in terms of shape also, that means the meter should have shown how much? The meter should have shown 55 gram, right? Okay, or 55 kg to be specific, right? So let's say 55 kg. But there's a one bag here which contains 2 kg balls. Okay, so there's a one. You can see the sentence here. Each of the balls in 9 boxes weigh 1 kg, whereas each of the ball. I'm sorry, guys. Put here each of the ball in remaining box. I'm sorry, a bit typing mistake. Weigh 2 kg. Fine. So a digital weighing machine is used to weigh these balls, and fine. So now what I'm trying to say here is, so today is 55 kg here. Fine. And now once I get the reading as let's say 56 kg, right? Because obviously I won't get 55 kg. 55 kg तो आएगा नहीं, because सारे balls तो है नहीं 1 kg वाले. So let's say if I get the reading as 56 kg, that means which was the bag number which contained that 2 kg balls? That was bag number 1, because ideal weight is 55 kg, but I am getting 56 kg. That means on this weighing machine there is one ball which is 1 kg extra, because already I have counted for every ball, I have counted 1 kg weight. So for 55 balls I have counted 55 kg weight, right? So that if I am getting the reading as 56 kg, अगर मुझे रीडिंग 56 kg आ रहा है, that means one ball है यहाँ पे which is the extra one, which has got 1 kg extra weight. So 1 kg ball we took out from which number box, which number bag or box? First box, right? That means first box was the number which is containing, right, that extra ball. If similarly I get it to a second number ball, right? Okay guys, now let's see. So if let's say if I am getting that to 57 kg, now 57 kg, right? So 57 kg, if the weight is coming, that means I am getting 2 kg extra from the ideal. 2 kg extra means what? 2 kg extra means what? There are 2 balls here which are of the weight 2 kg each, right? So there are 1 kg we already counted, so there are 2 balls like that. If the reading is 60 kg, that means there are 5 balls here extra, which reading is 1 kg extra. That means that was bag number 5, which was having that 2 kg balls, right? That basically what I'm trying to say here is, whatever be the reading, from 50, it could be, if I place all the balls like this, so if the reading is 57, 6, or the reading is 57, or the reading is 58, or the reading is 60, or the reading is 62, whatever, right? I can get that bag or get that box which has got the 2 kg balls, right? So that's why what is the answer? So answer for first bag is 1. Okay, so answer for first bag is 1. Correct? So if you didn't know this, it's a beautiful concept. Should know again for quant. Again, this is a question which is useful for quant as well as LRDI, as well as for interviews. These are small puzzles, guys. Okay, so in interviews that basically sometimes change your mind. Okay, so this interviews basically they just ask sometime to check your mind actually. Okay, not change your mind, check your mind. Okay, so to check your mind, they can ask some questions like that. Okay, some puzzles. So last question we did also was a very nice puzzle. Okay, this is also a very nice puzzle, right? So these are the very important concepts you should know. Okay, now just try this 2 and 3, guys. Okay, so I just continue this in the next video. Okay, what is the number for n equal to 2 and n equal to 3? Just continue this in the next video. Fine. Thank you for watching.